Experimental Template Writing of 4800-2019 Novel Coronavirus Software Version. Open the software. Check whether the word Connect appears in the middle of the software and whether the lock button operating item appears on the left, and confirm that the device is connected normally. Click New Experiment in the upper left corner to enter the experimental setup interface. In the Create Experiment column on the Setting interface, select Qualitative and Quantitative according to the actual situation. Add the experiment name. Browse and save the experiment file to the storage location of the experiment file. Added program parameters. Reaction program. "50 degrees and 15 minutes for one cycle. "95 degrees and 15 minutes for one cycle. "94 degrees and 15 seconds. As well as 55 degrees and 45 seconds for 45 cycles. Fluorescence is collected at the 45th second at 55 degrees. The volume of amplification system is 25 microliters. Complete the amplification program editing. Add the sample parameters. Click FAM in C1 at the top of the interface to set the gene probe information in the pop-up die procedure setting interface. First, select FAM in channel 1, then select VIC in channel 2, and finally select CY5 in channel 5. Since 3 genes are used for the detection of 2019 novel coronavirus, add the following 3 genes. The FAM channel corresponds to the N gene. The VIC channel corresponds to the ORF1AB gene. CY5 channel corresponds to internal standard gene, represented by IC. Specify genes and samples. Select the wells where the samples need to be placed in the layout interface of the reaction plate, and tick 3 dye genes in dye type. In sample type, select unknown UNK, QC for positive quality control for positive control, and NAC for negative quality control for negative control. Definition of sample. According to the actual number of samples, fill in the sample name in the column of sample name or input the sample ID in the column of sample ID for one-to-one correspondence. Save the edited program as a template. Click Save As to save it to the template folder and rename it. This to end the template program editing.